Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Do you believe it? There is a way to grow orchids without soil, without bark. Yet the roots cling extremely firmly and the plant even grows better. It may sound strange, but I tried it, using seemingly useless stones, combined with familiar natural ingredients available right in the kitchen that anyone can use. At first, I was also skeptical, but after a while, the orchid roots began to tightly wrap around the stones, becoming plump and green, and growing very naturally, almost like how they live in the wild. In today's video, I will show you a completely different method of growing orchids. Simple, clean, but one that might change the way you've grown orchids until now. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any planting and plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. First, we need an orchid like this. Use specialized scissors to cut off the outer plastic pot. Next, gently remove the moss from the plant. Most store-bought orchids are planted with moss or foam to retain moisture. Therefore, you should carefully remove this entire old medium. The reason is that materials like moss and foam retain water for a long time. If not properly controlled, they can suffocate the roots, deprive them of oxygen, and easily lead to root rot. Not only that, over time, these materials can also accumulate harmful bacteria and fungi. Removing the old medium helps you clearly observe the root condition, easily trim damaged roots, and create a clean, airy, and safer environment for the plant to recover. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I use specialized scissors and carefully sterilize them with alcohol before cutting. Then, I cut off all roots that are rotten, dried, or show signs of damage. These roots can no longer absorb nutrients and may even spread disease to healthy roots. Removing damaged roots helps clean the root system, creates space for new roots to grow, and allows the plant to focus nutrients on healthy parts. As a result, the recovery process becomes faster and more effective. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After that, rinse the plant under clean running water with moderate pressure. This helps remove all dirt, residue, and harmful agents remaining on the roots and plant surface after pruning. At the same time, this step cleans the cut areas, reducing the risk of fungal and bacterial infection. Water also washes away any remaining damaged root tissue, creating a cleaner and more ventilated environment for the roots. Thanks to this, the plant is in a clean state before entering the recovery phase, improving nutrient absorption and minimizing future issues. Then, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight and let it dry naturally. While waiting, I prepare a natural fertilizer solution for the plant. Do you have turmeric powder at home? Turmeric powder not only has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, but also helps heal root wounds, stimulates recovery, and encourages strong new root growth. I prepare a clean glass like in the video. Add about 500 milliliters of hot water to help the active compounds dissolve and extract better. Then, add 1 spoon of turmeric powder into the glass. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that protects roots from harmful agents while promoting healing and new root growth. Stir well until the turmeric completely dissolves. This ensures the active compounds are evenly distributed, increasing effectiveness. Finally, cover and let the solution steep for 1 hour. At the same time, I use oats to support making a natural fertilizer. Oats contain many nutrients such as B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch, which help nourish beneficial microorganisms in the root environment. Prepare a clean glass. Add 3 spoons of oats into the glass. Then, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to help extract nutrients effectively. Stir well so the oats release nutrients evenly into the water. Finally, cover and let it steep, then combine it with the turmeric solution to enhance effectiveness. After 1 hour, once both solutions have cooled, strain them to remove the residue. First is the turmeric solution. Strain thoroughly to remove all fine particles, ensuring a clear liquid that won't stick to roots or cause blockage. Straining helps the solution become cleaner, easier for the plant to absorb, and reduces the risk of fungal issues. At the same time, strain the oat residue, combining it with the turmeric solution. Make sure to filter thoroughly to remove all remaining particles, ensuring a smooth and clean solution. This is very important because residue can cling to roots and hinder absorption. Add about 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Dilution reduces concentration, preventing shock or overload to roots and leaves. Now, we have a natural organic fertilizer solution. First, pour the turmeric and oat solution into a glass, as shown in the video. Next, place the entire root system of the orchid into the solution and soak for about 15 minutes. This allows the solution to penetrate the roots, helping disinfect, clean, and stimulate recovery after pruning. Natural nutrients also strengthen roots and promote new root growth. During soaking, use a soft cotton pad dipped in the solution to gently wipe both sides of the leaves. This removes dirt, bacteria, and fungi, while allowing nutrients to absorb directly into leaf tissues. Be gentle, especially on the underside of the leaves, where gas exchange and nutrient absorption occur most efficiently. After cleaning, the leaves become cleaner, greener, and shinier, improving photosynthesis and speeding up recovery. After 15 minutes, remove the plant and let it dry naturally in a dry place. Next, prepare the planting medium. Instead of traditional materials, I use small stones like these. Stones provide excellent ventilation and do not retain excess water, which is crucial for orchid roots, especially during recovery. This helps prevent waterlogging, reduces the risk of root rot, and creates ideal conditions for healthy root development. Before use, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in about 1 liter of clean water and stir well. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then, soak the clean stones in this solution for about 10 minutes. Baking soda helps disinfect, clean, and remove bacteria and fungi from the stone surface, creating a safe environment for the roots. After 10 minutes, remove the stones and let them dry naturally before planting. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Now comes the most important step. To plant this orchid, I use a transparent glass or plastic cup. First, spread a layer of stones at the bottom of the pot. It may sound simple, but this is the decisive step that determines whether your orchid will grow healthy or not. Place the orchid in the center, then gently add stones around the base until the plant stands firmly. This method stabilizes the plant while keeping the roots airy, preventing suffocation or water retention. As a result, roots have an oxygen-rich environment, reducing rot risk and adapting more easily. Next, add a very small amount of water at the bottom of the cup, just enough to create humidity. Do not let the roots sit in water. The water level should be low, so moisture rises to nourish the roots while they remain dry and well aerated. This balance between moisture and airflow helps the plant recover quickly, stimulates new root growth, and ensures stable development. After finishing, place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area with gentle light, avoiding direct sunlight. A suitable environment helps retain moisture, prevent dehydration, and avoid heat stress. Result: after a period of applying this method, the plant adapts and grows well. I applied it to several other plants, and you can see. The root system grows very strongly, with plump white root tips tightly clinging to the stones. The leaves also become firmer, darker green, and full of vitality. Notably, the plant even begins to produce new flower spikes. a clear sign that it has recovered and entered a healthy growth phase. With proper care and patience, orchids will reward you with vibrant and long-lasting blooms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.